What's happening, everybody? Today I'm going to install an SSD into that extra storage space to have more memory on my PS5 because I'm already running low. What a shocker. This is my tech review, I guess. I will link in the description below other SSDs that you can probably get on sale right now. I got the 2 terabyte. It's gotta have a thermal heat sink in order for this to to protect yourself and Sony PlayStation to cover their butts. But I got this, specifically. Like I said, I'll have others in the description. You guys can get on those, and then you can see whether if you want those or not. But yeah, we'll get into it. So I already moved ahead, and I got the cover off. It's just lightly in there. You gotta have the PS logo on the bottom. So if you have the diskless, or actually I should say digital version, then you want to have still the PS logo on the bottom. I have the disc version, so this is going to be facing up. You're going to actually grab from where, I don't know if you can see this, the power button is going to be on that side, so you're going to want to get from this side. You're going to have to like gently lift it up and it's going to pop, and then you're going to do on this side as well. And then you're just gonna pretty much slide it out, and there you have it. So I can't use this with 2 hands. I got that pretty much off. Notice how it's like has like a spring-loaded. All right, put this right over here, separated. And you're gonna like lift up, and then just slide out, and voila, there you have it. And then there's a screw there that we're gonna have to take out. And then that's where we're going to be inserting that piece right here. So, all right, we're back at it. So we'll get this screw off. I thought I had it all fully out, but I guess I don't. I have that screw fully off. Watch out, there's actually going to be like something in there. That's I guess what's considered like a spacer. And you're going to put that on the number 80. Because you'll see why in a minute. But hold on, let's see if I can. Let me put pause again. Okay, now we're in business. Now, oh, jeez. Gotta get it out. So take this screw, put it to the side, then take the spacer, and this is where you're gonna put it on the 80. That way it's ready to go. Like I said, you'll see why in a minute. And then you have your SSD, and then you're gonna have to put it in like a diagonal portion right here, version, and then you're gonna slightly put that baby in there and wiggle it a little bit, and then bam. And then what do you know? It's right in there. So you put that baby in, get the screw that you took off with 1 hand that I did earlier. And then, all right, let me pause it again. Yeah, because 1 hand is amazing. Try to do this while recording. And then you make sure you get that baby snug in there. And like I said, I'll have you don't have to use this SSD brand, you can use others, and I'll put that in the description below. That way you can actually there's some that are on sale right now, so you can take advantage of that. And like I said, we're both learning how to do this as well. All right, it's pretty snug in there. You don't want to go too tight, because then you won't be able to, you don't want to damage the screw. So here we go, it's nice and tight, snugged in there. And that's why you want to put that spacer right there on that 80 mark. I guess there's other versions that go even higher, bigger, smaller. I mean, there was other spacers there earlier that you could see, but now it's time to put this cover back on, and then we'll test it out later. All right, and the cover is on there. I kind of like that the PlayStation has like their own little, I guess, their logo on the actual screws. That's pretty neat. Don't over tighten it. And of course, the same way you took it out, you're gonna put it back in. put it diagonally in, and then you tighten this baby up, and make sure you don't over tighten it. And then we're gonna put the cover back on, and then let's test it out. By the way, you see the screws, or these little, when you put this back on, it's gonna have like a little snap effect. So make sure you kind of just slide that baby in, and then it's gonna hear like a little snap, and then it should be in. And now we're going to the software part. So as soon as you turn on PS5, you actually gonna see this little storage to don't format and turn off the PS5, or format it. And of course, you're gonna format it. And after that, you should be good to go. And that's it. All right, guys, you go down to the settings, and then you go to storage. And then you're gonna see the console storage. See, it's almost filled up. Holy moly. And then there's gonna be the SSD storage. And then look at that, you got the 2 terabytes. And hopefully that should be it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. And like I said, once again, any questions, please let me know. And I'll have the description below the SSD drives that is compatible with the PS5, and that you guys can actually take advantage of the sales. So of the time of this video. Thanks guys for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.